अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हम आपके लिए हर दिन एक न्यू वीडियो लेकर आते हैं। तो आज हम आपके लिए एक वीडियो लेकर आए हैं जिसका नेम है द कैच बर्ड्स एस्केप। तो चैनल पर न्यू है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। वीडियो अच्छी लगी है वीडियो को लाइक करें। इन आस तो हम अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन अ स्मॉल डीमली लिटल रूम एट द बैक ऑफ अ बustling मार्केट देयर लिव्ड अ बर्ड नेम्ड जिपर। He was a bright blue parakeet with features that shimmered like the sky at dawn. Zephyr had been in the cage for as long as he could remember. The bars were then but strong, the door securely fastened. He was sold to the market by his precious owner, and though he often heard the sound of nature from outside, how never felt the fresh breeze or saw the vast sky beyond his small world. Day after day, Zipper would sing in the same song. He is noticed sweet and full of longing. The winter, a kind-hearted but wearing man named Hira, would come by to feed him and occasionally speak to him. But deposit his gentle care, Zephyr knew that he was not meant to be locked away forever. One day, a young girl named Aisha came to the market with her mother. She wandered through the alleys, her eyes wide with wonder at the colors and sound around her. When she came to the cage where Zephyr was kept, she stopped, captivated by the birds singing. Look, Mama, the bird sings so beautiful, Aisha said, her face lighted up. Hira, overhearing her, smiled. Yes, he sang every day. He is a very special bird, but he is also in need of a good home. Aisha's eyes sparkled. Can I take him home, Mama? Her mother hesitated, but seeing how much Aisha wanted to bird, she agreed. All right, but remember, birds need to be cried for. They need a space to fly. Aisha's mother purchased Zephyr, and he was carefully placed in a new cage and taken home with her. Zephyr was thrilled. He was going to a new place, a place where he would be loved and free. However, when he arrived at his new home, he soon realized that although the cage was large, it was still a cage. He could not fly freely, not could he stretch his wings as he could once dreamed of doing. तो वीडियो अच्छी लगी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। दुआ में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।